Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin no matter your budget. Today, I'm going to explain Bitcoin in a way that even a 5-year-old could understand, so let's make it fun, simple, and easy to follow. Imagine you have a doll, and it's the only doll like it in the entire world. That makes it super special, right? No one else has one, and people would want it because it's so rare. But what if someone made a billion copies of the same doll? Suddenly, it wouldn't feel so special anymore, and it wouldn't be worth as much. That's what scarcity means. When there's not a lot of something, it becomes valuable. What's wrong with dollars? Now think of the money we use, which is dollars. Dollars are like those dolls that get copied over and over again. The government can make as many dollars as they want, and because of that, dollars lose their value over time. For example, a long time ago, you could buy a big toy or a lot of candy with just a couple dollars. Today, those same dollars might not even buy you a small bag of candy. That's because there are so many dollars now that they're not as valuable anymore. Introducing Bitcoin. Bitcoin is different. It's like a super special doll, but instead of being a toy, it's a kind of digital money. And here's the cool part. There will only ever be a certain amount of Bitcoin in the entire world. No one can make more no matter what. That's why Bitcoin is valuable. It's rare, just like your special doll that no one else has, and because it's rare, people want it. Let me give you another example so you know Pokémon cards. A long time ago, people had these cards, and some didn't think much about them. But as time went on, some of those cards became really valuable because they were rare and not many of them were made. For example, an old Charizard card could be worth thousands of dollars today. Back then, people didn't know how valuable these cards would become, and they were just playing with them. Bitcoin is kind of like that. A long time ago, Bitcoin was worth just a couple of dollars, and people didn't know how valuable it could be in the future. Now, one Bitcoin is worth just under $100,000, and people are starting to understand its value. Why Bitcoin is special for the future, and the best part is Bitcoin will stay valuable because no one can make more of it. Just like those old Pokemon cards, the value comes from being scarce. But unlike Pokemon cards, Bitcoin isn't just a collectible, it's money that people all over the world can use. Think of it like this. If you saved your favorite candy for a long time and no one else had that kind of candy anymore, your candy would become super special. Bitcoin works the same way. If you save some now, it could be really valuable in the future when more people realize how special it is. So, whether you're 5 years old or 50, Bitcoin's value comes from being rare and useful. It's like having something truly one of a kind that people will always want. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's curious about Bitcoin. If you're ready to start your Bitcoin journey and need some guidance, join my Patreon with the link in the description for the price of a coffee per month. Together, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.